By way of introduction, I am Michael Lindsay, and I am the Executive Director for the McSilver Institute for Poverty Policy and Research at NYU, and also a professor in the Silver School of Social Work at NYU. My research focuses on child and adolescent mental health and intervention research. I look at disparities related to access to and use of mental health services and how to best implement interventions in real world settings. I also look at epidemiological issues like the rising rate of suicide among youth in the United States, with a particular lens toward the rising rate among youth of color, including Black youth. And so I'm excited to talk about those perspectives and the things that I do as part of my portfolio of work at the McSilver Institute, where we focus on addressing the root causes and consequences related to poverty and inequality, and rapidly translating research and findings into action. Sometimes that action can be interventions that we develop or implement to address these problems that are related to inequality. And then sometimes we focus on advocacy with respect to how we can address policies toward these issues that are really in the space of wanting to and attempting to help folks who are struggling with issues related to their mental health or physical health, or how to best situate education and other related matters that are going to help kids become their best possible selves and be productive citizens in our society. And so that's who I am, and I look forward to meeting you and working with you this semester.
So great. It's such an honor to teach with you, Michael, really. Such an amazing colleague, as well as such a wonderful friend. My name is Sibel Raver. I serve as Deputy Provost for New York University, and I'm also a member of the faculty of the Department of Applied Psychology in Steinhardt School of Culture, Education, and Human Development. And I've been really fortunate to lead a program of research very much along the same lines as yours, Michael, focusing on both the cost of poverty, of income poverty, to young children's health, development, and well-being, but also the incredibly, remarkably effective strategies that families, that communities, and that schools can pursue to support young children's health and development, really looking at the ways in which families and communities really do remarkable sort of not battle, but fortification, shall we say, of children's development in the face of persistent economic and racial inequality. So that puts me squarely in the same space in the sense of really looking at policies and programs that we can implement to support children's well-being, families' well-being, and the reduction, if not the elimination, of racial and economic inequality in this country. And I can't wait to get to know everybody in this class. The class is just amazing. It's comprised of students from every different unit across Stern, Steinhardt, Gallatin, CAS, and some Tisch, so many other units. We're really excited for you all to get to know each other, as well as to get to know us, and of course to get to know our fabulous course assistants, Raquel and Daniela. So we really, really welcome you all to this class.
Welcome to Race and Inequality, Advancing Equity Through Policy and Practice. We are incredibly excited to meet and work with each of you. Race and inequality, unfortunately, are inextricably linked in our society, leading to racial marginality and income stratification. Certainly, recent events and the related social unrest remind us of how commonplace race and inequality are to the fabric of our daily lives. During the course, we will provide you with the tools and knowledge to critically identify, analyze, and discuss the pervasive impact of race and inequality in terms of how they affect our thinking and value set regarding matters of social justice, equity, and inclusion. You will be asked to reflect on your and each other's exposure to multiple facets of the topics we cover, including how they influence our daily lives. This course is intended to be both in person for those who can attend some sessions and fully virtual. We will also come together for online synchronous discussions to be further determined. Please familiarize yourselves with the course syllabus. Required readings and additional course materials are accessible via NYU classes. We are incredibly excited about this course we have created for you and the intellectually stimulating experiences that will come out of our time together. Again, welcome.